Your YouTube watch history keeps track of every video you watch while signed into your Google account. Although this feature helps YouTube recommend content you'll enjoy, there may be times when you want to remove certain videos or clear your entire history for privacy reasons. Thankfully, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Step 1. Unlock your Android phone and launch the YouTube app. Make sure you're signed into the Google account whose watch history you want to manage. Step 2. Tap the U or profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This opens your personal YouTube page where you can access your viewing history and account settings. Step 3. Near the top of the page, you'll see the history section. Tap View All to display every video you've watched on that account. Option 1. If you only want to delete 1 or 2 videos, scroll through your history until you find the video you want to remove. Tap the 3-dot menu beside the video and choose Remove from Watch History. The selected video will disappear instantly while the rest of your history remains unchanged. Option 2. To erase everything at once, tap the 3-dot menu in the upper right corner of the history page. Select Clear All Watch History, then tap Clear Watch History again when the confirmation window appears. After confirming, all watched videos associated with your account will be removed. Your YouTube watch history has now been successfully deleted. If you cleared your entire history, YouTube may take some time to update your recommendations because it no longer has your previous viewing activity to use. You can repeat these steps anytime you want to keep your watch history clean or protect your privacy.